a walk today with Laura and the pups. Say hi, Laura.
Hi, Laura. Ready? Now. Avril's here, everybody. Hi, Avril. You're a dick.
We were supposed to have storms today, and look at the weather. It's turning out to be quite nice, and we're all dressed up for the Arctic in our gear. Laura's got waders on and layers and
Big giant pants.
I don't have any on. Oh, that's right, frog. Don't fall in. Oh, right, no, do fall in, it'll be funny. Hope she falls in, that'll be funny. Send it to me from framed.
I've just done a big poo!
Did I really want to know that? Did
That's so much better.
I hope you washed your hands. Could you just... This has been a good day. We had lunch and we have been a long walk.
Big giant, we're not finished yet, we've got 3 miles to go.
That's fine. Laura has just fallen in body deep into a bog and the dog's taking a taxi.
I was like about to say don't come this way.
I can't help you. Jinx, get off. Oh God, oh it's stinking. Oh, have you shit yourself, Laura?
No!
It's stinking. I'm not coming that way. Laura's got waders on, it's okay. I don't have waders on. I don't have waders on, so I can't. Oh, I'm never going to go over that.
Pixie! Oh, nearly! We'll go for a walk, she said. It'll be good, she said.
It's Hailstones! Yay! I love hailstones! July in Scotland! Woohoo!